I'm in the shop today getting ready to say goodbye to a couple of good old friends here. You know, these are two cars I have to say I'm going to miss. A couple weeks ago I sold my 1994 E320 Coupe to a gentleman on the East Coast. He flew out here, drove the car all the way back to the East Coast and didn't even have a glitch. That's what you call a happy customer. You know, I kind of cross my fingers when people drive their cars cross country, and you know, you kind of hope it doesn't break down because they're not going to be happy, even though they say they understand the risk. The Beast is not going to be driven cross country, nor is the 180D. They're both going back to the East Coast as well and find homes with new enthusiasts. This is my 1959 180D, affectionately known as Tux or Tuxedo. And I'm going to put the playlist in the description below this video. So if you haven't seen the videos I've done on this, then you might want to, you know, we've had a lot of fun with old Tux. It's not the fastest car on the road, but man, is it fun to drive. Gets a lot of attention. And then this one here's my 300 SEL 6.3. Now this car is fast. I mean, it's really fast. You kind of got to keep your eye out, you know, for you know what's when you floor this thing, because it really goes. So this car is going to a German engineer back east, and he's going to completely restore it. So he's really excited about getting the Beast, and he'll continue on. Maybe I'll get him to send some pictures and we can continue that 37-part series I've done on this car on YouTube. And I'll also put a link in the description below this video to the playlist on the Beast. So there's a couple things I want to do for the new owners. You know, I've got Tux up on the lift here, and I'm going to just give it a thorough inspection and check all the fluids and everything before it heads off. The Beast, I got a few things I want to do for the new owner. I'm going to put the original steering wheel on. I was able to find a hub from one of my parts cars in this really nice steering wheel. So we're going to put the original steering wheel back on the Beast. I'm also going to get a bunch of parts together and give to the new owner, including a crack-free dashboard, which I've kind of hidden away for a rainy day. I'm also going to go around through my stock and see if I can find some other good chrome pieces and other items that the new owner can use in his restoration on this 6.3 here. So I'm not excited today. I'm not overly happy, you know, because I've had a lot of fun with both these cars. They've had a great history with me, and that history will live on YouTube. So maybe I can get some pictures of the new owners and post those in the future. So help me say goodbye to the Beast and Tuxedo.